Ka Jing ya kenat hapo ka parti Kongres, kadang pur susu kadang mi kasngi, hakaba menta kasngi, la sakhi ya ka Jing ai Jing Kyrshan jong ki Ngut ki MLA ka Kongres, ya ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, klam kanu ka Jing pentip, yo Presiden ke MPCC, lani kinong yalam jong ka AICC. Habai keren halor kane ka benta nakaliong MLA ka Kongres uba proses ti Sawkmie uloong ba ka jingrai ban lej ban Kyrshan ka Sarkar MDA kalonghi hadin ka jingwei ba ka Sarkar MDA kala shimkhya ban penbej yaki babun kimat ki jinge ha ka jella. Uba piti Sawkmie uloong baka jinglet ban Kyrshan jong ki Ngut ki MLA ka parti Kongres ya ka MDA ka longhi kum ka jingwat ya ka lat ka Lynti ban pej ya ka bha ka mian na ka benta ka jingbha jongki bat jongki constituency lade. Shushu uloong ru lara ki Kadei Ngut ki MLA ki la ban ya ka parti Kongres klem kanu ka jing pentip ya ka AICC compare ki Ngut ki MLA bakin lej ban penyeso ilade baka Sarkar MDA klem da pentip ki nong ilam ka AICC. Ulaban rap susu bahalor kane ka rai na kaliang ki Ngut ki MLA kim da sngodan kam ban pentip yu Presiden ka MPCC uba Vincent H Pala bat ai bu untip lengba ki social media. Ulaban rap susu da kabaong halor ka rai jong Presiden ban penyaj hi ya ka parti kwa ban ong AA namar bakan syong hau namar ba udan la ka jong kabor ba unrai hakabay day ba ka parti hanre hakabay day ba ka CLP uba pala don bor AA ban shim ya kanu ka rai.
I justify in that way, in that if we five we oppose, but the rest country have been accepted, that we are the loser. Why should we lose? Why should my constituency, even our state, why should we lose of this opportunity? Others they get many opportunity while our state we are losing. That's why I thought better from our side, whatever the case may be, because we understand that many problem about development. But here, but one thing that is different here. If it is a BJP-led government, that will different matter. If it is government led by the BJP, I'm sure that all of us will not join. This is NPP-led government. We saw that the BJP is only a part here, but BJP is not the main players. Main players here, even they can dictate of the policies of program of the government. NPP is leading the government and all the regional parties here. See, even regional party also they are here. Why not we oppose? There's no point of oppose. Better we work together for overall development of the state. For the last few days, all the five MLAs of the Congress, we met and discussed among all the five about the pros and cons of our party, and in the meantime with the overall development of the state. Then from our side, we thought that though we have been in opposition for the last 4 years, but now we have seen that many issues that the government have been taken up. But we thought that since the government have been taken up one after the issue, like the issue of the border issue, the government have taken very seriously. Then not only here in our state, even they have our honorable chief minister, they have tried best of meeting with the Indian Home Minister along with the chief minister of Assam and briefing about the two chief minister of Assam and Meghalaya meeting, and they have already been ready to solve of the border issue. Then we could see from all the five families, we thought that the government is serious enough of solving of this border issue. Better from our side be together. Then the second issue that also make us convinced that especially the last few days we saw in the national television, even in the parliament, in the Lok Sabha, even in the Sabha, that MP from the NPP, MP from Governors, Mrs. Agatha, She only been spoke or in length about the need of recognition of the Khasis and Garo language to be included in the schedule of the Constitution of India. She spoke in the Lok Sabha. Even we saw even that Dr. Khanuki also she talked about the same issue which he only even spoke in the Rajya Sabha. That means that the two issue we saw that the two MP even the government are very serious to listening to hear and also to convince the government of India that it's high time that all five MLAs have its own, I may say, their own prerogative of power to decide what's the best for the five, and best for the constituency, and the best for the citizens of whole. Now that the question of AIC it will not be raised here. So when you're talking about AICC, really important. The same question you may ask. Do that the 12 MLAs before leaving the Congress, whether they have taken the consent or not from the AICC. So now when 12 left the party without even without the approval or the consent of AICC. For them, they didn't. Why should we also take we got the consent of ICC? We will take him in his own decision based for development of our state, even for our constituency. But I may say that since I've only been told you about AICC that we don't need to take the consent for ICC. Then even about the president of the party. Let the president of the party knows, because now is a time of social media. I think from social media he will come to know. That is the best for him, but to get information what the MLAs have taken decision. You see, for the decision of our president regarding with the functioning, the performance of the party. From my side, I don't have anything to say. It depend on him, because once the AICC have been appoint him as a president of the party, he have his own power how to run the party. But now that the party matters, it depends on him. He can take whatever he feel better for the party. But for the legislature, for the CLP equals only 5. For CLP from Masjid will take its own decision. So here the party will be separate, even the CLP is separate. For CLP, we are all the 5. We have met, we discussed. We think we talk for interest of the state, interest of our constituency. Better we give support to MDA for the betterment of the citizens of whole.